upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. It is square matrix if all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0. A square matrix, upper triangular matrix is square matrix in which all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0. Like that, 2, 5, 1, 0, 3, 7, 0, 0, 4. This is upper triangular matrix. ऊपर के पोर्शन में ट्राइंगल शेप आ जाती है. All the elements below the principal, this is principal diagonal. All the elements below the principal diagonal are always 0, and it is square matrix. A square matrix is said to be upper triangular if all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0. ये सारे 0 होते हैं. लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स उल्टा हो जाएगा. लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स it is also square matrix. A square matrix is said to be lower triangular matrix if all the elements above the principal diagonal are 0. इसका उल्टा है ये कन्वर्स. इसमें ये सारे एलिमेंट 0 होते हैं, उसमें ये एलिमेंट 0 होते हैं. तो 0, 0, 3, 4, 0, 5, 7, 6. और all the elements above the principal diagonal are 0. A square matrix is said to be lower triangular matrix if all the elements above the principal diagonal are 0. Then it is lower triangular matrix. Next matrix is strictly triangular matrix.
Trial.
Strictly triangular matrix. Strictly triangular matrix. A triangular matrix whose all the diagonal elements are 0. इसमें डायगोनल के एलिमेंट सारे 0 हो जाते हैं. मैट्रिक्स लाइक दैट 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 4, 3, 0. All the diagonal elements are 0. A triangular matrix whose all the diagonal elements are B matrix like that 0, 2, 1, 0 0 3 0 0 0. A and B are strictly triangular matrix because all the diagonal elements are 0. A triangular matrix is said to be strictly triangular if all the diagonal elements are 0. Okay. Next, किसी मैट्रिक्स में एक ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स इसमें डायगोनल के एलिमेंट 0 हो जाते हैं, देन मैट्रिक्स इज नोन एज स्ट्रिक्टली ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. नेक्स्ट, कॉम्परेबल मैट्रिक्स. Comparable matrix. Two matrices A and B are said to be comparable. Two matrices A and B are said to be comparable if they having same order. Two matrices A and B are said to be comparable if their order are same. So A is equal to 1 2 3 2 0 5 and B is equal to 0 1 5 3 6 4 और its order is 2 by 3, 2 rows 3 columns, and its order is also 2 by 3. So A and B are comparable matrix. Two matrix A and B are said to be comparable if they having same order. Order must be same. Two matrix A and B are said to be comparable if their order are same. Next, equality of matrix. Equality of matrix. Equality of matrix. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if and only if number one, order must be same. Order must be same. Number two, two matrices A and B are said to be equal if and only if order must be same. Their order must be same. Number two, corresponding elements are same. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if order must be same, corresponding element must be same. Example, A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 1. B is equal to to x by 1. If A is equal to B, then here order is 2 by 2, order is 2 by 2, order is same, then x must be equal 4 and y must be equal 3. If A and B are equal, then x must be equal 4 and y must be equal 3. This is known as equality of matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if their order are same and corresponding elements are same. जब भी आप इक्वल कर रहे हैं दो मैट्रिक्स को तो ऑर्डर सेम होने चाहिए एंड corresponding element must be same. Next, addition of matrix. Now you will learn operation of matrix. In operation, you will learn addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, multiplication of a matrix, multiplication of two matrix, operation of matrix. Operation on matrix. In operation of matrix, you will learn addition of two matrix. Subtraction of two matrix. Third, scalar multiplication of matrix. Scalar multiplication of matrix. Fourth, multiplication of two matrix. In operation of two matrix, you will study addition of two matrix, subtraction of two matrix, scalar multiplication of matrix, multiplication of two matrix. So now we will discuss one by one. Addition of two matrix. Two same order matrix can be added. For addition of matrix, order must be same. Two same order matrix can be added and subtracted. Same order की मैट्रिक्स ही ऐड की जा सकती है and their corresponding elements are same. Same order matrix can be added and their corresponding element are added. A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 1 and matrix B is equal to its order is 2 by 2. B is equal to 1, 0, 2, 1. This is also 2 by 2. So A plus B is equal to A plus B equal to 2 3 4 1 plus 1 0 2 1. Order are same, so they can be added. In addition, corresponding element are added. 2 added in 1, 2 plus 1, 3 added in 0, 3 plus 0, 4 plus 2, 1 plus 1. So your answer is 3, 3, 6, 2. Same order matrix can be added and subtracted and their corresponding element are added. ये इसमें ऐड होगा, ये इसमें ऐड होगा, ये इसमें ऐड होगा, ये इसमें ऐड होगा. जो सेम पोजीशन पे एलिमेंट है दे आर एडेड. सेम इज फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. Rule for addition and subtraction are same. Same order matrix can be added and subtracted and their corresponding element are added if you are adding them, and subtracted, corresponding element are subtracted if you are subtracting. And order of the resultant matrix is same as that of the given matrix. रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर भी वही होता है जो गिवन मैट्रिक्स का होता है. अगर माइनस कर रहे हैं तो a माइनस c, then here will be minus, here will be minus, here will be minus, here will be minus, here will be minus. 2 minus 1 1, 3 2 0. This is subtraction. Order is also same 2 by 2. Two same order matrix can be added and subtracted and corresponding element are added if you are adding and subtracted if you are subtracting the matrix. Order of the resultant matrix is same as that of the given matrix. So this is the addition and subtraction of matrix. Next, third topic. Third, by scalar multiplication of matrix. किसी मैट्रिक्स को किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना. If A is any matrix, if A is any matrix, if it is multiplied by K, then Ka, then K is scalar. K matrix A multiplied by a scalar K. किसी मैट्रिक्स को किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना इन नोन एज स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट A is equal to is a matrix 2 1 3 4. If you want to 2A, you want to calculate 2A, then each member of the matrix A multiplied by 2, it becomes 4 2 6 8. Each member, or you can write 2 2 1 3 4 is equal to 4 2 6 8. Each member of the matrix multiplied by the scalar. 2 is scalar. ये नहीं है एक मेंबर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए, एक रो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाए. ऑल द मेंबर ऑफ the matrix multiplied by the scalar. Okay, so this is known as scalar multiplication of matrix. There is a point trace of a matrix. Trace of matrix. Trace of a matrix means sum of the diagonal element of a square matrix. Trace of matrix means sum of diagonal elements of square matrix. Sum of diagonal element of a square matrix is known as trace of matrix. Sum of the diagonal elements of a square matrix is known as trace of a matrix. For example, A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 5. It is square matrix. ट्रेस ए, शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं ट्रेस ए इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ डायगोनल एलिमेंट, प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट 2 + 5 इज इक्वल टू 7. दिस इज ट्रेस ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. Now properties of addition. Properties of addition of matrix. Properties of addition of matrix. Matrix addition is commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. That is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Number 2, matrix addition is commutative. Number 2, matrix addition is associative. Matrix addition is associative. That is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. पहले B plus C को ऐड करते हैं, फिर A ऐड करें, और A plus B added first, then C. Answer will be same. Matrix addition is associative. Next, existence of additive identity. Third property, existence of additive identity. Existence of additive identity for every matrix. Existence of additive identity for every matrix A. There is a matrix. By adding that, matrix doesn't change. हर मैट्रिक्स के करस्पॉन्डिंग एक मैट्रिक्स ऐसी है जिसको A में प्लस करने से आंसर will be A. So this matrix is a null matrix. So null matrix is known as additive identity of addition. जैसे नंबर में होता है, नंबर में 5 + 0 5, 3 + 0 3. So 0 is the identity of addition in numbers. In the same way, null matrix is the additive identity of addition in matrix. null matrix को किसी matrix के साथ ऐड करेंगे, then answer will be same matrix. Then at that time null matrix is known as additive identity. For every matrix there exists a matrix 0 such that A plus 0 is equal to A. Then A 0 is known as additive identity. Null matrix is additive identity of matrix A. Fourth point, existence of additive inverse. For existence of additive inverse. For every matrix A, there is a matrix. For every matrix A, there is a matrix such that A minus A is equal to null matrix. Then this matrix is known as additive identity. हर मैट्रिक्स के लिए एक नेगेटिव मैट्रिक्स और यू कैन से नेगेटिव ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. हर मैट्रिक्स के करस्पॉन्डिंग एक मैट्रिक्स है जिसके उसमें ऐड करने से आंसर विल बी नल मैट्रिक्स. सो दैट मैट्रिक्स विल बी नेगेटिव मैट्रिक्स. ए सपोज ए इज इक्वल टू 2 3 1 0. Then additive inverse of A, negative A. Additive inverse of A is equal to negative A, -2, 3, -1, 0. Negative A is the additive inverse of A because when you will add this and this, you will get null matrix. So किसी मैट्रिक्स का एडिटिव इनवर्स फाइंड करना है, देन चेंज द साइन ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. देन चेंज द साइन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, देन यू विल गेट एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. Such type of question asked in for 1 mark. Write the additive inverse of this. Write additive identity of matrix. Matrix addition is associative or not? Matrix addition is commutative or not? So थोड़ा डेप्थ में पढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको. Now let me take your attendance. Attendance is compulsory. Okay.
Trial.
So in operation of matrix, you have learned addition, subtraction of matrix, scalar multiplication of matrix,
Trial.
addition of matrix. Matrix addition is commutative, matrix
Trial.
addition is associative. Existence of
Trial.
identity, existence of additive inverse. Multiplication of two matrix. This is important.
Trial. Trial. Trial.
How to multiply two matrix? दो मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स multiply a matrix
Trial.
by a number, but here multiplication of two matrix, दो matrix का multiply. If A is a matrix of order m into n, and matrix of order n into p. Now remember, now pay attention. Two matrices A and B can be multiplied only when, pay attention, two matrices can be multiplied only when number of column of first must be equal number of rows of second. Two matrices A and B can be multiplied only when number of column of first equal to number of rows in second. AB is possible only when number of column of A equal to number of rows of B. This is condition for multiplication. Two matrices can be multiplied only when फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स के कॉलम सेकंड मैट्रिक्स की रो के इक्वल होने चाहिए. Then multiplication is possible, otherwise not. And answer of the resultant matrix C will be of the order first matrix के rows and second matrix column. Two matrix can be multiplied only when number of rows column of first equal to number of rows of second, and answer of the resultant matrix will be of order n into p. That means number of rows of first and number of column of second. Resultant matrix order of resultant matrix. See example. A is equal to 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2. Its order is 2 by 3. B is a matrix 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. Its order is 3 by 2. 3 rows, 2 columns. AB is possible.
चल ही रहा है.
Here, number of column of first is equal to number of rows of second. AB is exists. AB is exists because number of row of A is equal to number of column of B. AB is equal to 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2 into 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. Row multiply with column. 4 multiply 1, 4. 5 multiply 1 plus